I have practiced law for 22 years. I have never been involved in any professional misconduct whatsoever. With regard to the report which he is talking about, reference was made to a payment which was made to my law firm of 500,000 shillings. That payment was not made by any company, leave alone a company that supplied NYS. It was made by a friend of mine and a colleague called Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen. And this is the story. Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen owed me 500,000 shillings, which I had lent him. And I went and asked him to pay me back. And he wrote me a check. That's it. Period. As to the 15 million shillings of the Honorable Pio Wandai is saying, I am not aware. I think he's confusing my law firm with another law firm.